Everybody, question 18 is about whether a reaction is spontaneous or not. You know that it is decided by the Gibbs-free energy. When the Gibbs-free energy is negative, it is spontaneous. It said that when changing from low temperature, it is spontaneous. High temperature, it is not spontaneous. So it means that when temperature increase, delta G, the Gibbs-free energy changes from negative to positive. So look at the second term. It means that when temperature increases, this spin becomes a more positive, making delta G finally positive. So it means that delta S has to be negative. But at first, it is spontaneous, so the whole thing has to be negative at first at the low temperature, so delta H has to be negative too. So we got the answer A. Thank you.